description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. Today, I've got one that I found at H Mart. And this is Nongshim Premium Udon. Right there. Yeah, I can't hold things today, apparently. There you go. Udon. It comes in a box. And in the box, you get... so we got this and this. And we have this. And I believe this is the same... It's now in a box. It used to be in a big bowl. I think that's what's going on. I will say, I like boxes. Instant noodles that come in a box, it's fancy. However, this is not an instant noodle. This you could eat right now. I mean, a lot of instant noodles you can as well, but this is udon. It said cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna do it for 2.5. You can watch it boil. Or at least attempt to boil. Come on now. Do I add the liquid too? Yeah, I do. It's what I do now. It's very thin liquid. So this is a fish heavy udon. It's very more traditional. This is like got bonito and stuff like that. It smells good. I don't know. I have a feeling the last time I had this, I didn't like it so much, but my tastes have changed. I think the last time I had this was maybe 8 or 9 years ago. So it's been a minute. At the end, you add the flakes and stir well. And here's the flake sachet. So we'll do a little bit of tease out these noodles a little bit for now. I'm going to be using a certain bowl that's actually really spatial. It's a spatial bowl. It is a bowl that I got for Christmas maybe back in 2001 for my mom and sister, I'm going to guess. And it's a bowl that's very traditional, that is like made for udon. I would expect that this is the kind of bowl you would find udon in. So, yeah. It's fancy-licious. So this is the third one I'm doing today. I'm going to do another one, but it's not going to come out tomorrow. You're going to see something weird tomorrow, okay? I think. No, wait. Tomorrow you're going to see... I don't know. There's gonna be a hiccup. Maybe it might be the day after tomorrow. Is tomorrow Halloween for you? Because I have something special for Halloween. But... okay, here is our udon prepared. And it's funny. It's like, is tomorrow Halloween? It's tomorrow for me is July 4th. So there is our little bits. See? Wow, really? You just want me to stir this? This doesn't get... okay. Okay. A little bit of mini kamaboko in there. I roll my own, so I've got some of that. That's going to go in with this. Don't want to use too much noodle, because that bowl is rather deep. But here is that. Honestly, you can like pierce these udon packs and microwave them for 30 seconds, and then they're done. They're hot as hell, but they're done. Their udon's good. I'm just very curious if just a stir. I mean, it's thin. Kamaboko is fish cake. It's hard as a rock when it comes out, so. It's hydrated well. It's sweet. It's salty. And it's hot. Wow. I just burned my face off, ladies and gentlemen. And I did it for you. Ooh. That really hurt. Udon. And honestly, I want their kamaboko to stay out of sight because I'm going to use my own. Nothing against their kamaboko. Alright. Scallion. I went over to a store yesterday to get kamaboko. A Korean joint called G-Mart. If you live in the area, G-Mart is across from the Walmart neighborhood market in Linwood. And G-Mart is rad. They've got some neat stuff. You know what they had in there? They had gallons of beef blood. I'm guessing that's so people can make as much sundai as they want, which is blood sausage. But they had it. They had it in gallons. It's like, yep, gallon of blood. But they also had it in smaller containers that were leaking, which was like, oh, that's a little much. Just a tinge of crushed red pepper. I'm not going overboard. Don't get your panties in a ruffle. But here we are. I'll let it rotate, and you can enjoy that thoroughly. All right, well, thank you for watching. Thank you so very much. The next one you're going to see, if this episode is coming out on the 30th, the one you're going to see tomorrow, I'll leave that as a surprise. It's going to be kind of funny. Is it ramen? I don't know. No. No. But it's not what it purports to be either. So I'll just leave it at that, okay? But the one that I'm actually doing, probably the one that'll come out on the 2nd, or the, yeah, because 31st, 1st, yeah, I'll skip the 1st, so I can do the nice one on the 31st. On the 2nd will be one that would normally come out then, wait, will be normally the one that would come out the day after tomorrow, my time. Does that make sense? So the one that's going to come out the day after tomorrow is probably from like almost 6 months ago for me. So this is it's probably going to be a year-old episode that hasn't been released yet. It will come out the second day of November. But the one that I'm going to put out for Saturday, which is going to be 2 days before my top 10 cup varieties list, I wanted to do this before that came out. And this is a dill pickle, new cup noodle. Got that at the Walmart market. See, we were right next to the G Mart, all that. So good to go. And yeah, that'll be on. You're gonna see more stuff. I'll just leave it at that. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye bye.